This is one of the best Nigerian buns recipe that you can make, especially if you're making Nigerian buns for your family, for your kids, for guests, for get together. This buns recipe is so easy yet so irresistible. Welcome back to Debbie's Kitchen. Add in your egg into a bowl. We are using one large or medium sized eggs mixed together with your normal temperature water or milk, then set aside. Add in your flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, nutmeg for flavor, and a little bit of powdered milk to take your bones recipe to another level. Mix all your dry ingredients together, then go on now to add in your butter. We are using between 50 to 60 grams of butter for this recipe. Please do not go below 50 grams and please do not go above 60 grams. Add in your liquid mix into your flour. Mix together, adding more water or milk to get your batter together. This is the consistency that we are going for. Please do not allow your buns batter to be too thick or too light. If it's too runny, you will enjoy your Nigerian buns, and if it's too thick, your buns may come out being a little bit too hard. So we're going to be scooping and cutting our buns like this into the oil after allowing it to rest for like 5 to 10 minutes. Heat up some oil. You are frying on medium heat. Your oil should be bubbling continuously and slightly. Please make sure your oil isn't so hot and make sure your oil isn't less hot. If it is less hot, your bones may crack. If you want cracked bones or rocky bones, is fine, but it may also come out absorbing so much oil. Stir continuously. You're frying on consistently medium heat. Remember, until you have this unique golden brown look, set aside in a sieve lined with kitchen paper and enjoy with your family. If this is your first time stopping by Debbie's Kitchen, you're so welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, oh my God, girl, what are you waiting for? Guy, I beg. Press that subscription button, do like and share. Tell me what you think about this recipe. It is beginners friendly, and I can assure you anyone can make it. After frying, this is how they looked. It looked so yummy, so irresistible, and a bite of this. Hey, see, check out these videos at the end screen. If you want to make your Nigerian balls for commercial purposes, these videos will be of great help to you. And see you in my next one. God bless you.